ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sanjay Kumar and I am a former gentleman cadet from the prestigious Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. I had cleared CDS and got recommended in my first attempt in 2006 and joined the Indian Army. I have also been a defense journalist and worked with Intelligence Bureau. Jai Hind. So, hi ladies and gentlemen, today we have Prachi Soni on the other side, the recommended candidate. And if I'm correct, Prachi got recommended yesterday on the date of 10th December 2019, the lucky day for the splendid women. And here she will give a basic information about her कि ये कौन से एसएसबी के लिए गई और इसने किस किस तरीके से अपनी तैयारी करी, कौन से कॉलेज से आती है. एंड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दिस इंटरव्यू, दिस शूट विल बी ओनली फॉर 10 to 15 minutes because she's going through her medicals right now, and we are very lucky that she is willing to spare this amount of time with us to give the basic information about the SSB. And she is one of the girls who has been recommended out of more than 350 candidates, and she did a wonderful performance in the SSB and has come in the top 3 candidates who got finally recommended. Okay, so she would be basically speaking in English and would also talk to you about the importance of English language in the SSB. जो मैं आपको हर समय बोलता रहता हूँ, वो आपको समझाने की कोशिश करेगी, बहुत सारे सवालों का वो आपका जवाब देगी. और आने वाले वक्त के अंदर इन द फ्यूचर वील हैव अ प्रॉपर अराउंड 45 minutes or 1 hour of interview with her when when she has returned back to her city after the SSB, and she has enough amount of time to explain you. And ladies and gentlemen, she is not wearing formals right now because right now she is out of the SSB और उसको फोन भी बहुत limited time के लिए मिलता है. So with not taking much of your time, Prachi, can you give a brief information about you?
Hello, good evening all of you. So my name is Prachi Soni and I am here in Bangalore in 24 SSD. My entry was NCC Special Entry for Short Service Commission, and as sir already told you that I got recommended yesterday out of 388 reporting. So it was a very, very wonderful experience for a fresher like me, and I would really like to thank all the educators on an academy and people are my friends, my family for the support and for the confidence they gave me. Talking about the importance of English, I'm telling you it's very important. It's not the core of your selection, but knowing English, learning how to express, talking to people, for communication, for your individual narration in screening, for your GTOs, for your group discussion, in all these things you will be needing English. So please don't think that without English you will be able to get through SSB. At least you should know how to talk to people, how to communicate with each other, because English holds very much importance in SSB. You are going to be an officer, and an officer cannot become only through knowing one language or any other regional language.
Okay.
A basic language which everyone knows and which everybody can communicate is important.
Okay, Prachi, can you tell me you come from which college and what is your educational background?
Yes, sir. So I was graduated from Lady Shri Ram College, New Delhi in this month of May this year, and I have done BA Honors History and yes, sir.
Okay, and your schooling from?
And my schooling is from Jaipur India International School, and I got 96% in my class 12th and 62% in my graduation.
So see, you ladies and gentlemen, you can see brilliant candidate in academics, and if somebody says कि बेवकूफ़ लोग या फिर जो पढ़ाई कम करते हैं उनको फौज ज्वाइन कर लेनी चाहिए. Now you can see brilliant people are joining and brilliant people are getting recommended. I am not saying कि the people with low percentages are not joining academy. I was one of them. मेरे तो इतने मार्क्स भी नहीं थे जितने प्राची के हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक है, तो अपनी प्रिपरेशन के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए प्राची.
So basically, I started 2 or 3 months ago with an alarming course which came by you only, that international relation and security issues. And after reading the topics, I got to know that I don't know nothing about any of these. So, and I started preparing for the security topics, and the edge that topics, the deep depth information gave me is something very different. There are people in SSB only, and the people who are recommended, other 2 candidates, they also don't know certain things which I know. So the course which you taught, security issues, I did that. And for my political science, I refer to another educated, Rakesh Negi sir, because you were not dealing with political science that time.
Correct, correct.
And I have done, I have taken a coaching from an
Okay.
academy for life skills and development, and I would recommend people to go through that if you are not, if you are SSB very near, because sir course will be a little later. So you can go through that coaching. It's a very good coaching. It will develop your communication skills, your psychological skills for your psych, especially for TAT, SRT, and your word association test. It was a very good experience for me in that academy as well.
Okay. And for the you can tell about any incidents which happened in your particular incident during the SSB, which you think was very important, or any SRT which was.
Yes, sir. So beginning with the screening process, the first test was reasoning test. So the reasoning was fairly easy for me because I am an NCC entry. So people who are going through CDS or INET or FCAT, you will have a little higher edge in reasoning. So please prepare for that. And then comes the individual narration and story writing, TPDT. So for that, I would always suggest you to please prepare yourself for individual narration, because it holds the very it holds a high importance, because it's you who is dealing with it. In group discussion, you can be low, maybe you don't get chance to perform, but individual narration is your chance. So don't lose it. Be confident and try to complete your story in 1 minute and as soon as possible as you can. After screening process, it was a psychological test. So for that, I would say you please connect it to your life. Don't learn. Please don't learn 60, 70 stories, and don't prepare in advance. Just write it whatever you get to know there only. In word association also, don't give any kind of advices and never do that, don't do this. Just write what do you observe in your daily life.
Correct, correct.
Then comes the SRT, situation reaction. So for example, 60 situations come for you. So I attempted only 41 and I am recommended. So it's not important to complete all the situations. The one thing which matters is the quality. So please try and write the good SRTs, complete it, write the solutions if there is any problem. Don't try to finish it off as soon as you can, because it doesn't matter. People who did 60 SRTs are out of SSB. So focus on the quality, not on your quantity, not learning 60 stories, not remembering 600 words. Please start your brain and start the process.
Prachi,
Then,
just a sec, Prachi, a lot of students I meet, they are preparing their 12 stories or 14 stories. They are trying to make, give this engineered answers and basically becoming some other soul, okay, which they should not be. तो ये जो इंजीनियर्ड आंसर्स निकालने की कोशिश करी जा रही है, 12 स्टोरीज, परफेक्ट 12 स्टोरीज बनाने की कोशिश करी जा रही है, डू यू थिंक दिस इज द राइट अप्रोच? बिकॉज दिस इज द वे कैंडिडेट विल लूज द फोकस ऑफ व्हाट ही इज.
just keep in mind one thing. Whom are you trying to make fool? Those people are trained for more than 3-4 years, and now they take SSBs every month. In my last
I
10
think
days,
train for 3-4 years, and I think probably doing the job for around 10-15 years.
yes, and in my SSB last 5 days, I have seen 4 batches coming. So whom are you trying to bluff? Whom are you trying to give your engineered answers? They are very well versed with whatever you are doing. I had recommended candidates in my group, in my team only, but they are not here now because they were doing everything. They were not showing the qualities. It's not about coming in front or being the front value. It's about what you have in you and how are you showing it. In a group discussion, if you're shouting, if you're fighting, it will not help you. Even if you will say 3 points and those 3 points are qualitative, those 3 points hold some value, it will make a difference.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you can see Prachi is focusing specifically. उसने अपने टेस्ट के दौरान पर जिस चीज़ पर फोकस करा है वो है क्वालिटी और ना कि क्वांटिटी. ये नहीं है कि उसने एसआरटी छोड़ ही दी है, बट उसने जितने भी करे बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी के साथ करे हैं. ठीक है. एंड एनी थिंग विच यू नीड टू टॉक अबाउट, हाउ डिड यू प्रिपेयर फॉर योर इंटरव्यू, हाउ डिड योर इंटरव्यू गो?
Yes, sir, my interview was not, I would say it was very exceptional or very good. It was a moderate interview, but it was very interactive. The one thing which I liked about me during interview as well as during conference was my smile. I never let it go from my face. Even if I was wrong for something, I was confident, yes, sir, this is the right answer. So even if you are not sure, just don't get into what the IO is saying. Isn't
Correct.
it this? He tried to confuse me, but I
Correct.
have to be sure about what I am saying. Even if I'm wrong, if I know something, that's the only information I have, and I
Correct.
should be sure about what I am saying.
Correct. Let me just clear it. What Prachi is trying to say is not give incorrect information to
Yes,
IO.
yeah,
Let me
yeah.
tell you what उसका मतलब क्या है. प्राची यहाँ पर कहना चाह रही है कि कई बार जब आप सवाल का जवाब पूछा जाएगा तो आयो आपको ऐसे प्रेशराइज करके कंफ्यूज करने की कोशिश करेगा कि सही बोल रहे हो कि नहीं बोल रहे हो. आर यू श्योर? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, न्यू दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. वो आपसे बोलेगा आर यू श्योर न्यू दिल्ली इज कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया? डू यू थिंक बॉम्बे इज कैपिटल? So he will be keep testing you again and again this, so that to test that you are decisive or not about the answer. वो ये कहना चाह रही है. उसका कहने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो जाकर गलत इंफॉर्मेशन आयोग को देने लग जाए. I think this is the
Yes,
point Prachi want to make.
yes, yes, sir. So I want to give an example as well.
Correct.
So he asked me about NCC flag. So I gave the description of it has 3 colors and it has 17 lotuses which describes all the directories and 2 dots which describes OTA Gwalior and OTA Kamti. Then he tried to confuse me. Isn't it OTA Chennai? Because it is also very relevant to girls. It is very relevant to people who go
Very
for
nice,
NCC
very
training.
nice.
So I got confused. I literally got confused for a minute, but then I realized no, OTA Chennai is after you became an officer, and during NCC it's OTA Kamti for the ANU. So please be sure about what you are saying. That's it.
Okay, and do tell this to Munish also, na? He needs to know what NCC
sir.
flag and everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And people, all those who are going for NCC entry or even if you are tech entry, please prepare your basics of your entry. If you are going for engineering, you should know your basics.
And did you had a
Because
discussion after, did you had a discussion after I took the interview of Munish, like what all kind of questions were asked? So
Yes,
did
sir.
it
I talked to him. Yeah, I talked to him, and it actually helped me.
because
For
I was asking a lot
example,
of questions on the NCC, including this one,
yes, sir. Yes,
NCC
sir. Yes,
flag,
sir.
NCC motto. Okay, and
Yes,
this is the and any particular thing of GTO you want to talk about? GTO, any incident,
Uh,
group
for GTO
discussion,
also,
lecturing?
I will say you can't control what is happening in the group. You
Correct.
have the control of what you are doing. Your individual points in during GTO, GD, your individual solution of the GPE for group planning exercise, your lecturate, these things should have the value, very important value, because these things you have in your hand, and don't spoil these. Group discussion will be moderated by the group. So you will have to, obviously you will have to participate in that, but don't ruin your individual contribution.
Okay, what all suggestions and pointers you want to give to a student जिसका एसएसबी बहुत पास में है, उसे किस तरीके से तैयारी करनी चाहिए, खासकर जो बच्चे खुद तैयारी कर रहे हैं या अनअकैडमी के थ्रू कर रहे हैं, उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए?
Yes, so beginning with how Unacademy and how you should, Unacademy helped me and how you should prepare. So one of the most important thing is you're getting benefits at your home. So please make use out of it. Second thing is attend some courses, talk to the educators. Don't indulge yourself in wrong guidance. Please, that's a humble request. Please choose from whom you have to take guidance. And another thing, Unacademy how helped me is I didn't have to go to different places. It is not very expensive. I could learn different things sitting at my home, sitting wherever I wanted to. So how you should prepare for the psychology, I would say, please practice. The more and more you will practice, the idea will created, the idea will be coming to your mind very fastly and swiftly. If for words, you will get only 15 seconds. So you don't have time to get an idea and then write, because it's not very much. So it would be very good if you will start practicing, practice 10 to 15 words daily. You will get words very easily on internet. Search for these words and practice. Same goes for the story writing as well. Practice stories. Don't learn your stories, just practice again and again, and then you will get an idea how you have to construct your story in 50 words and write a correct story. Coming for SRTs is basically SRTs are the socially accepted
The conscious answers.
Yes, sir. Those are socially accepted responses. For example, if you are out and you have lost your wallet, so what will you do? You probably not buy it, but you don't have to write that in your SRT, because the socially accepted thing is you will borrow it from your friend, or you will borrow it from somebody. That will show your cooperation. That will show how you are socially adaptable to people, how you make your relationships. So write socially acceptable thing which you would want to do, which you would actually do, which looks good in front of people. This is for SRT.
Okay, and for the IO,
For
yeah,
interviewing officer, I would say please prepare your base entry which you are going through. I already told you about that. General knowledge is very, very important. You are going to a brigadier or lieutenant colonel and going in front of him and saying you don't know about Indo-Pakistan relationships and you don't know about Indo-China relationship will make you a idiot in front of him. So don't make a fool out of you. Prepare these basic things.
do you think knowing about current affairs and these issues are important?
Yes, sir. It's very important. You're being selected. You are being interviewed as an officer for being an officer. And if you don't know what's happening around you, what's happening around in the world, what could be the possible threats to national security, and you want to be a part of a national security is something very doubtful, and then you will not be selected. So it is very important.
So you,
Learning facts, learning figures, learning some statistical data will not help you. In my 5-day process, they never ask me about what's happening in the education, what is the sex ratio. No. You should know why sex ratio is less, not what's the ratio.
And do you feel that if you know basically the content you are talking about is that कि आपको पता है कि ये देश में क्यों चल रहा है, भारत पाकिस्तान की के अंदर अभी क्या चल रहा है, what is happening with the geopolitical issues, and if you know you feel a lot of more confident in the IO as well as writing these stories because आपके stories का भी जो content है वो आपके उन्हीं विचारों से निकलता है जो आप पढ़ते और लिखते हैं, correct?
Obviously, when you are dealing with, when you know about the international relations, when you know about what's happening around your world, you start rationalizing your responses. You just don't write whatever comes to your mind. You will write, you will think how I am writing this, why I am writing this. So accustoming yourself to what's happening around you is very important.
Okay. So here we had Prachi. So Prachi, you had been recommended for which course?
Sir, 24 SSB. I've been recommended from 24 SSB for SSC WNCC 47.
47th course, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So she has been recommended from 24th SSB Allahabad.
No, sir, Bangalore.
Okay, 24th SSB Bangalore for the 47th Women NCC non-tech course, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो यहाँ पर आपके साथ प्राची थी जिन्होंने आपसे बातचीत करी. जब ये अपने घर पहुंच जाएंगी तो हम इनके साथ डिटेल्ड इंटरव्यू करेंगे जिसके अंदर ये पूरा अपना एनालिसिस देंगी. अभी इनके पास बहुत ही कम वक्त है, मेरे ख्याल से 12 मिनट के अंदर इनका वापस फ़ोन ले लिया जाएगा और प्राची को अपना प्लस साइन मिल चुका है. फिलहाल तो उन्होंने आई थिंक वो पहना नहीं हुआ है, शी इज आउट. और ये इंटरव्यू मैंने थोड़ा हिंदी में इसलिए भी कंडक्ट करा ताकि जो हिंदी के विद्यार्थी हैं, हिंदी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उन्हें भी पता लगे. बट आपको एक बात गंभीरता के साथ बताना चाहूंगा दैट इफ यू वांट टू क्लियर एसएसबी, प्लीज अपनी इंग्लिश को स्ट्रांग करिए, अपनी करंट अफेयर्स को स्ट्रांग करिए, अपने साइक को स्ट्रांग करिए. साइक को स्ट्रांग करने के लिए 12 स्टोरीज को मत रटिए, 12 विचारों को मत रटिए, बट अपनी जो फैक्ट्री है, अपने जो इनसाइड कॉर्पोरेशन है जहां से आपका थॉट प्रोसेस निकलता है, थॉट प्रोसेस दिमाग से निकलता है, दिमाग से कचरे को हटा के अच्छे स्वच्छ विचारों का आरंभ करिए. हैव अ गुड थॉट प्रोसेस व्हिच विल इवेंचुअली बी हेल्पिंग आउट यू इन clearing the SSB, which happened with Prachi. Academically a very sharp student, and as she has told कि उसने अपने थॉट प्रोसेस को उसी तरीके से आंसर्स करे जो उसने आंसर्स देखे. कोई प्री कंसीव्ड नोशंस के साथ नहीं गई थी कि फोटो को देखकर इस पर लड़की की स्टोरी नहीं बनानी है. अगर प्राची को उस फोटो में लड़का दिखे या लड़की दिखी, उसने वही स्टोरीज बनाई होंगी. इफ आई एम करेक्ट?
Yes, sir. That doesn't matter if you are a boy. How can you make a story? If you are seeing a boy and you making a girl story out of it, see how rationalize your thoughts. How are you making that? How can you change the gender from a story?
Prachi, lot of coaching and teachers are also saying कि अगर आप एक स्टोरी के अंदर एक लड़का लड़की देखो जो अराउंड 30, 40, 45 हो रहे, तो कभी भी उसे हस्बैंड वाइफ मत बनाओ, उसे भाई बहन बना दो. इज इट दैट?
No, actually I would like to say husband wife is the safest thing to do because
Exactly.
you have observed your parents in all daily.
correct.
You are observing your parents daily. Maybe you don't have a sister or you don't have a brother, but you have parents. And how can you deny the fact that both of them are not husband wife?
Correct.
So some preconceived notions include writing a girl's name as a Muslim name. She is not wearing a hijab. How can you tell that she is a Muslim? So please think before writing anything.
And वो भी
Secularism,
वो अगर
gender.
लाश, अगर वहां पर एक लाश रखी हुई है तो उसे ड्रामा बना दो.
No drama. Don't dodge
Correct,
from the situation.
correct,
If
correct.
there
These
is a
all kind
picture
of
of a,
जो इस टाइप के ऑब्नॉक्शियस आइडियाज दिए जाते हैं
yes sir.
खासकर साइकोलॉजी में. और दिक्कत क्या है कि जब इन आइडियाज को कोई इम्प्लीमेंट करने लग जाता है तो फिर व्हाट ही इज एंड व्हाट द PIQ इज स्पीकिंग और जो उसके आयो में जाता है वो 3 डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी बन जाता है एंड इवेंचुअली द कैंडिडेट माइट नॉट गेट रिकमेंड. सो प्लीज हैव अ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी इन योर साइकोलॉजी IO एंड GTO. और कॉन्ग्रुएंसी तभी आएगी जब आप रट के नहीं जाएंगे, आप सिर्फ SSB के लिए जाएंगे अपनी मेहनत के ऊपर. ठीक है, अगर आप कहीं से भी कोचिंग आप पढ़ रहे हैं, चलो मैं ही प्राची को पढ़ा रहा हूं, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि प्राची मेरे वाले आंसर जाकर वहां पर जाकर बोल दे या चेप दे, उससे कोई फायदा है, उसको घाटा होगा उसके. अब उसने हिस्ट्री, इफ आई एम करेक्ट, तुमने हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स करा है?
Yes sir. Yes
अब
sir.
उसने हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स करा है, मैंने BSc मैथमेटिकल साइंसेस करी है. तो हमारे सोचने का तरीका सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर अलग हो सकता है, इसका सोचने का तरीका अलग हो सकता है. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दैट इज व्हाट प्राची हैड टू से. And Prachi was helped by many educators on Unacademy, as she said, one of being me and the others, Rajat sir, right?
No sir, Rakesh.
हाँ, राकेश नेगी सर. ठीक है, और भी बहुत सारे टीचर्स हैं जहाँ से उनको मदद मिली. शी ऑल्सो
Divya ma'am was a great inspiration for me. There was no female educator on Unacademy earlier, but thanks to Divya ma'am as well.
वो तो है. शी इज करंट, शी ऑल्सो डिड सम कोर्स. ठीक है, तो ठीक है. सो राइट नाउ वील बी रिलीविंग प्राची. ठीक है, प्राची, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम एंड गिविंग दीज इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. एंड होपफुली वंस यू आर बैक इन द सिटी तब हम डिटेल में इंटरव्यू करेंगे. Thank you very much, Prachi. Bye bye.
Thank you so much sir. Bye bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. And do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook for dedicated guidance on various defense, CAPF and other examinations. All links have been given in the description. Jai Hind.